Face mask cuts COVID-19 incidence by this much, study finds. COVID-19 vaccines are safe and effective, but they are not perfect. So, experts always remind the public to keep practicing preventive measures. Recently, a global study has found how effective face masks are in protecting people from COVID. This effectiveness can work very well with vaccination and social distancing. But before we continue, please like this video if you find this informative and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content. Don't forget to click the bell icon too to get the latest updates. In a study published in the BMJ, researchers performed a systematic review and meta-analysis on the effectiveness of public health measures in reducing COVID-19 cases. Among the factors they explored were incidence, transmission, and even mortality. Of many studies evaluated, 72 were included in the final selection. These consisted of 35 studies focused on individual public health measures and 37 on packages of interventions. In 35 studies, 8 included the impact of hand washing on COVID cases. Here's what they found. Face masks alone could cut the odds of COVID incidence by 53%. Physical distancing alone could also reduce the odds by 25%. If you combine the two, that would be 78% against COVID incidence. Besides face masks, hand washing could do the job too with a 53% reduction. Practicing all three would really decrease someone's risk of getting the coronavirus. According to The Guardian, other measures like quarantine, lockdowns, and closure of borders couldn't be fully analyzed. Researchers said that the studies had big differences in design, outcome measures, and quality. So, only the top 3 mentioned earlier were fully evaluated. Wearing face masks is still a recommended measure to fight this pandemic. Vaccines could only do so much, cut the chances of getting the disease or being hospitalized. But vaccines alone won't give you perfect protection. Even vaccinated people could contract COVID-19 if they ignore measures. The study findings showed how important face masks are 2 years in this pandemic. It can increase the effectiveness of vaccines and protect you from other respiratory diseases, such as flu and colds. Also, face masks are the best weapon for those still waiting to get their first vaccine dose. What's your take on the study findings? Do you agree that face masks work in the real world? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.